All right, welcome back, Leos. Welcome back to Love Yourself First Oracle, where I deliver daily oracles for each zodiac sign. Not too long, not too drawn out, just a minute to help you get through the day, the night, the evening, the weekend, whenever it is that you're in my channel. So, Grand Rising, good evening, good afternoon. Thank you for all my A1 Day ones. Thank you for those who just subscribed. Hey, Queen, hey, King, hey. Make sure y'all hit the like and leave a comment for me. Thank you for those who watch the channel but haven't subscribed yet. Hey Queen, hey King, hey. Make sure y'all hit the like button, leave a comment, or go ahead and hit that subscribe button. And thank you for those who subscribe to the channel but unsubscribe from the channel. You can be led to the water, baby. Can't nobody make you drink it. At the end of the day, people probably been telling you all your life, you need to make sure you take care of yourself. You need to do right by them kids. You need to forgive your mama and your daddy. You need to put money back for hard time. You need to let that hurt go. Need to go within and do that healing, or just stop letting people take advantage of you, or stop taking advantage of people. But get what you do, what you want to do. Why? Because you grown. But when you grown and you old enough and you know better, you should want to do it better. Exactly. And over here on my channel, that's what we make sure we do. Self love and self care is not selfish when you point it to everybody else. Okay? Self love and self care is not selfish when you point it to everybody else's cup. Go within and do that healing. Acknowledge that pain, that trauma, that hurt, neglect issue, abandonment issue, trust issue, mama daddy issue, past relationship issue, self esteem issue, confidence issue. It need to be acknowledged so it can be released, okay? So Leo, we're just gonna see what's going on with you. We're gonna start off with the self-care message. We're gonna see what you're really hiding, what you need to be working on. April is here, so like I say, some celebrate New Year's in January, some celebrate New Year's in March, some celebrate New Year in April. Whichever one that you ain't did as far as January or March, April is the time. So let's get it done, okay? So in through the nose, out through the mouth. All right, Leo. So let's get started. We get the self care message out first, and then we go from the rest. So next week, is it next week? Um, no, it should be the first is what coming up. So the third is Friday. Okay, so yeah, next week we're gonna start on the Know Your Worth, which is another oracle that I got. So we're gonna tap into knowing your worth. Leo's collective, Leo's collective, Leo's collective, Leo's collective. All right, Leo's collective. That card did hit the floor, and it says overcoming obstacles. So get back on your feet, gain strength from difficult situations. Let's get my chair. So some of y'all need to, as a collective, overcome these obstacles that you might be going through. Get back on your feet and gain strength from difficult situations. Whatever you have been through it before. You know how to handle it. You know what you need to do differently the next time. Leo single. Leo singles is telling you that you are charming. Have confidence in your charm. A lot of people gravitate towards you because they like you for you. So whatever you're trying to get done, as far as whatever you want to do, it's telling you to use your charm. Okay, people gravitate towards you because they like you. So whatever you want to get done, you're gonna have the support. You just need to get over these obstacles. Leo's relationship. Leo's relationship. Leo's in a relationship. It's telling you to have faith. Remove any doubts and questions. You are ready to step into your blessings and claim it. What is already yours? So you are ready to claim what's already yours. Continue to have faith. Continue to walk by sight. continue to walk by faith and not sight. I said continue to walk by sight. But keep that faith up, okay? Leo's in a marriage. Okay, Leo's in a marriage or a long-term committed relationship. Y'all need to do some shadow work. Under Uncover every part of you that have been repressed and abandoned. So you need to go within and do that shadow work, baby. Like I say, it has to be acknowledged in order for it to be released. You have to acknowledge it. So the things that you didn't put in the back of your head, the things that you're like, oh, I'm good, I'm all right, blah, they wood, wood, you know, you're not. You need to address it. Write it down, take a picture, burn it. I said write it down, take a picture, burn it. Write it down, burn it, talk to the person that you need to talk to. Um, do what you gotta do to release it. Okay? Like I said, if you're gonna be talking to people, don't expect a certain type of answer. Get whatever you gotta get off your chest and leave it at that. If you're looking for a specific closure or answer and you don't get there when you talk to that person, leave it at that as long as you got whatever you need to get off your chest. Okay? I think I missed that part when I did my introduction though. Like I said, write it down, acknowledge it. Yeah, I think I missed that part. All right, so let's get started. We're gonna turn this music on. Okay, Leo single, 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 Leo single. Look, I had to pop out now. Okay, that's it for you, Leo single. Leo single. Let me see if there's any more for you. Leo's in a relationship. Any more for Leo's in a relationship. I like how y'all want to jump out, but not jumping out. I need you to jump out within a moment. Okay, so that's it for y'all. Leo's in a marriage or a long-term relationship. Leo's ain't trying to talk it all today. Okay. Okay. Leo's in a marriage. Maybe one thing I ain't gonna do, Leo's, is pry into y'all business if y'all don't want to give it out. Last time for Leo's in a marriage, a long-term relationship. Yeah, no. Okay. All right, so I don't know if this is loud or not. So singles, it is telling you that you can blame it on Metro retrograde, okay? So Mercury did it. Miscommunication, excuses, retrograde blame. So, whatever might have be going on or might be going on, yeah, it had something to do with Mercury retrograde. So it's also saying that your social battery is at zero. You are drained. You just ready to shut down. You just want to be by yourself. Get through these obstacles. Get started on whatever it is that you want to do. And that's completely fine too. Okay? It's also saying you're overstimulated. Your mental is overloaded. Time for you to take some self care time, baby. Like I say, you can't pour into everybody else and then you ain't pouring into yourself. Self love and self care is always good, okay? I need some me time. Me time is always good. Can't be there for everybody else and then you ain't doing enough for yourself. So yes, Mercury did it. Right now your social battery is low. And right now you're overstimulated. And you're also crying over a situationship. It's complicated. So I got these obstacles that I gotta go through. Mercury messes with my communication. I don't feel like being bothered. I'm overstimulated, too much going on, and then this situationship, I can't believe this has happened. But it's like it's okay. Overcome the obstacles, get back on your feet, and gain strength from difficult situations. Start using your charm to get what you want. People are going to gravitate towards you because they like you because you are a charming person. So once you take this me time, once you get yourself together, once you do this self love, self care, get your mental together, deal with this situationship as far as it complicated, get over the obstacles. It's time for you to get in your bag. Okay? Those that's in a relationship, it is saying also too, you're overstimulated when you're in public. So you got so much going on at the same time. You're like, yeah, every time I come out, it's too much noise. It's the kids. It's just everything. It's just overstimulating me. And it's like, I can't. I don't have the motivation to do nothing. I just feel overwhelmed. I just want to shut down. And then you also out here pretending like you like people when you don't really mess with people. So stop acting like you mess with people when you overstimulated and you don't want to deal with nobody at this moment. It's okay to not to have your moment where you just want to be alone. It's okay to have that moment where you just need some me time because you're overstimulated. Because you got so many people around that you gotta I need some time for me. So that's why it's telling you, release your doubts. You are ready to step into your blessings and claim it. Get over these obstacles. Get over these obstacles. Find your motivation again. Stop being around here with the mask on. Stop faking like you like people and you don't like people. Okay? You're exhausted from people. It's time for you to get away from everybody. Get you some me time. Leave it at that. Overcome whatever obstacle you might be dealing with. Having your faith. Get you together first. And then, we can check in on other people. But get you together right now. Those that's in a marriage or a long-term committed relationship, somebody have blocked you. And whoever have blocked you, you are in disbelief. You like, what? They got me blocked. They don't want to talk to me. I didn't get no closure from this. I didn't get no open-ended. Certain things was unanswered. So certain emotions had been spoken or said, and it's like you can't do that because you're blocked now. So that's why I say you need to go within and do this shadow work because whoever done blocked you, you had to disbelieve. So what did you do on your end? Like I said, we gotta always hold ourselves accountable. What did you do on your end? What did you not do on your end? What could you have done better on your end? What could have been different with the situation? So we gotta start looking at things. But overcome your obstacles, okay? Gain strength from your difficult situations. Go within and do your shadow work. Maybe whoever this is that done blocked you, they got you in disbelief to where you can't even express your emotions or they couldn't express their emotions, so they just blocked you out of the way. It's gonna be that time to come back around, okay? As for right now, go within and do your shadow work. Because it's some things that you ain't hear from. It's some things that you're still holding on to. And you need to acknowledge that. Accountability is a lot. Okay? And I know that's kind of hard with you, Leo, sometimes. You know, accountability, looking at your own action, looking at how things are being handled, looking at how things are moving. You know, sometimes y'all want to be blind to certain things, but it's okay. You can do that. But it's telling you you got to go within and do this shadow work, okay? Otherwise, you might just still stay blocked from this person, and it won't be no closure. It won't be emotions expressed. It won't be, you know, answers or questions that can be answered. Everything is going to be unanswered. Okay. So Leo, this y'all message. I do hope y'all enjoyed. Make sure y'all hit the like and the subscribe button. All right.